Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log in to Match Factory with Facebook. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Open the Match Factory application from your app drawer. Soon after you open the application, tap on the gear button at the top right corner of the screen. In the settings menu that pops up on the screen, tap on Sign in with Facebook. You will then see this pop up where you'll need to tap continue. Now you will end up in facebook.com website where you will need to enter your Facebook account's credentials. Enter your email or your phone number and your password associated with facebook.com and then tap on this open button. Soon after you open up the Facebook option, you will then need to go ahead and tap on continue. Match Factory will now receive your player's name, avatar and other information. Simply tap on open and then you will now be able to connect to Match Factory with Facebook. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.